Did you know many people are having trouble with activating screen mirroring on their Samsung TV? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open menu. Grab your remote control and open the main menu on your Samsung QM85R television. Step 2. Find System. Navigate to the System options using the directional buttons on your remote. Step 3. Locate Mirroring. Look for Screen Mirroring Standby in the list. Step 4. Select Mirroring. Select Screen Mirroring Standby to highlight it. Step 5. Enable Mirroring. Turn on the Screen Mirroring Standby option to be ready for device connections. With these steps, your Samsung QM85R should now be ready to mirror screens effortlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.